Okay, Chance, how old are you?
3.
Okay, come look at these guns. What's this one?
Lever accent.
What's this one?
Bolt accent.
What's this one?
Lever accent.
What's this one?
Brake accent.
What's this one? Muzzle?
Muzzle loader.
Muzzle loader. What's this one?
Bolt accent.
What's this one?
What's it called? Pump accent.
What's this one?
Lever accent.
Good. Got the box for that too. What's this one?
Muzzle loader.
Good job. What's this one?
Brake accent.
Good. What's this one? Muzzle.
Loader.
What's this one?
Brake accent.
Good job. Do you like guns?
Yes.